I thought I'd talk about some of the advantages of having a screened-in patio instead of an enclosed patio. These apartment buildings were built in 1975, which was a long time ago. At least probably 2/3 of the patios, or excuse me, the balconies, have been enclosed. They've made an exterior outdoor living area into an interior living area. And they glassed them in with windows, and they created another extra area of their apartment that they can air condition. So they've increased the floor space of their air-conditioned living area, their interior area, while eliminating the exterior outdoor area on their balcony. The advantages of having the outdoor balcony area is, first of all, on days like today, when it's evening time, it's close to 6 o'clock in the evening. We've got some rain here, and thunder and lightning and wind, and you can be in your apartment and go on your balcony and feel like you're outdoors. At the same time, you're out of the rain and the wind, so you're getting the experience of nature, and you're inside your apartment. That is underestimated. Some people don't like the sound of rain. I have relatives who don't like the sound of rain on the roof. I also have relatives that don't like pie. So what are you going to do? But this is a big advantage. Once you put the glass windows in, you don't have the same experience. The second thing is, if you have a hurricane come, these screens are much less expensive to replace. The next thing is, in order to install the windows, you have to get a permit, and it's expensive. You have to make sure your air conditioning can meet the requirements for the extra space. There's a lot of things involved with the city and the county that aren't involved when you just have to replace a screen. Another advantage is people have been learning about the importance of getting sunlight, specifically in the morning when the sun first comes up, to get early light in your eyes to help reset the circadian rhythm and clock, and so you sleep better, you have more melatonin. There's many other health benefits. When you have a glass in front of you, the windows, you block out a lot of UV light that is healthy for you. Also, you can grow plants a lot easier with the screen instead of the windows, although that's not really a big feature. The ways to repair the screen and the roll-up lines is much simpler and less expensive than the roll-up or the windows, the aluminum windows. The aluminum windows have a lifespan. They don't last forever. And when you have to replace them, they're quite expensive. You don't get as much breeze with the windows as you do with the screens. The windows do keep out the rain on the balcony, and if you have any leaks in your balcony to people downstairs, that could be a big problem. But you shouldn't have leaks. And to be honest, most places, if you have an exterior living space, you're not supposed to convert it into an interior space unless you have a drain installed, which they didn't make into a regulation here in this city I live in, although it is in other places. I think the windows probably look better than the screens, but you don't really get many people walking around to notice. Also, if you were to, let's say, I don't know, you're not supposed to cook on your balcony, but if you ever did cook on the balcony and by accident you should make any smoke, it's a lot easier to get it removed with these screens. Also, if you have screens, it gives you an excuse to put in a ceiling fan, which really makes a place look nice when it's circulating. Also, I think there's a little bit of nostalgia going on because I grew up in screened-in porches with screened-in porches in houses and apartments I lived in. So it's like just something I remember from a time in my early youth in my past that is, it gives me a good feeling to think about. And you can always put the windows in. Nobody takes the windows out and puts screens back in. It's just not worth the expense. I have always wanted to remove some of these bins of tools and appliances and things that I have for storage on the balcony, and then just put in a couple of, like a little day bed, and just certain times of the year when there's a nice breeze, just sleep out on the balcony with the fan. I doubt if you can see much in this video. It's getting pretty dark. But it's nice and relaxing, and the rain is nice and relaxing. And I thought it would be a good opportunity to just talk about the benefits of having a screen patio or balcony instead of an enclosed one. I guess I'm just old-fashioned. They spent a lot of money designing these apartments, and I don't like to change things unless there's a really good reason to. Like, I still have the popcorn ceiling. I'm not in favor of them or against them, but I don't see the reason why I should spend money to remove them when it was a design element that the architects and designers came up with. If you keep something long enough, it becomes desirable. It goes out of fashion, but then it comes back in because it's no longer seen or available. Yes, I think the balcony is probably one of the best parts about the apartment. And the screens help. It's a nice evening. A very nice evening. I should also mention, if you're working with power tools and making anything, and you've got some sawdust and so on, it's a perfect way to isolate that from the rest of your house, which is the main reason that I have all these tools on the balcony, is because it's my workshop. It's my garden and my workshop, and occasionally my kitchen area. And it's my relaxation area, and my sunbathing area, and my sit in the late afternoon, early evening and listen to the rain area.